Java was developed by A. Apple, B. IBM, C. Ericsson, D. Sun Microsystems. The correct answer is Sun Microsystems. In which year Java programming language was developed? A. 1991, B. 1993, C. 1995, D. 1996. The correct answer is 1991. Which one was the initial name of Java? A. Oak, B. CDL, C. CS4, D. Usenet. The correct answer is Oak. Which one is correct? Java is A platform-dependent language, B. platform-independent language, C. OS-dependent language, D. OS-independent language. The correct answer is platform-independent language. A special kind of Java program that is designed to be transmitted over the Internet and automatically executed by a Java-compatible web browser is A. Servlets, B. JSP, C. Applet, D. bytecode. The correct answer is Applet. Java is A static language, B. dynamic language, C. assembly language, D. binary language. The correct answer is dynamic language. A highly optimized set of instructions designed to be executed by the Java runtime system is called A. object code, B. bitcode, C. bytecode, D. float code. The correct answer is bytecode. Which one is commonly used to extend the applications hosted by web servers? A. JSP, B. IDE, C. Applet, D. Servlet. The correct answer is Servlet. Java is A logic-based language, B. stack-based language, C. data-structured language, D. object-oriented programming language. The correct answer is object-oriented programming language. The act of representing essential features without including the background details or explanations is called A. abstraction, B. polymorphism, C. encapsulation, D. inheritance. The correct answer is abstraction. Name of the process by which objects of one class acquire the properties of objects of another is called A. information hiding, B. inheritance, C. polymorphism, D. encapsulation. The correct answer is inheritance. Dynamic binding calls at A. start time, B. compile time, C. run time, D. execution time. The correct answer is run time. Static binding calls at A. start time, B. compile time, C. process time, D. execution time. The correct answer is compile time. Which one was the first browser to support Java applets? A. Internet Explorer, B. Safari, C. HotJava, D. NetJava. The correct answer is HotJava. Which one is not a Java comment type? A. single line comment, B. two-line comment, C. multi-line comment, D. documentation comment. The correct answer is two-line comment. HotJava browser was developed in the year A. 1990, B. 1992, C. 1995, D. 1996. The correct answer is 1995. Which of the following is a multi-line comment syntax? A. begin with and end with, B. begin with asterisk and end with asterisk, C. begin with hash and end with hash, D. begin with at and end with at. The correct answer is begin with asterisk and end with asterisk. Which of the following is a single line comment syntax? A. comment, B. comment, C asterisk comment asterisk. D asterisk comment asterisk. The correct answer is comment. Which one is not a Java access modifiers? A private. B default. C protected. D abstract. The correct answer is abstract. Access modifier which is accessible only within class is called A private. B default. C protected. D public. The correct answer is private. The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside the package but through dash only. A encapsulation. B abstraction. C inheritance. D polymorphism. The correct answer is inheritance. The protected access modifier can be applied on A members. B class. C method. D interface. The correct answer is members. Which one is a correct if statement? A if condition statement. B if condition statement. C if condition statement. D if condition statement. The correct answer is if condition statement. A loop in Java ends with A colon, B semicolon, C dot, D slash. The correct answer is semicolon. Exit for loop is an example of A do while loop, B while loop, C for loop, D none of the above. The correct answer is do while loop. Which one loop is also known as entry control loop? A infinite loop, B do while loop, C for loop, D while loop. The correct answer is while loop. The range of short is A 27568 to 27567, B 30453 to 30453, C 32768 to 32767, D 34563 to 34563. The correct answer is 32768 to 32767. Assigned 64-bit type is named as A byte, B short, C int, D long. The correct answer is long. Float has dash bits of storage, A 16, B 32, C 64, D 128. The correct answer is 32. The range of floating point is A-1282 plus 127, B 1.4E045 to 3.4E plus 038, C-2147483648 plus 2147483647, D-32768 plus 32767. The correct answer is 1.4E045 to 3.4E plus 038. For storing a value, double uses A 24-bit, B 32-bit, C 64-bit, D 128-bit. The correct answer is 64-bit. Approximate range of double is A 4.9E324 to 1.8E plus 308, B 1.4E045 to 3.4E plus 038, C-2147483648 plus 2147483647, D0 to 65535. The correct answer is 4.9E324 to 1.8E plus 308. For logical value, which primitive type is used? A float, B long, C double, D boolean. The correct answer is Boolean. Which of the following is intrinsic data type? A. Classes. B. Arrays. C. Integer. D. Interface. The correct answer is integer. Which of the following is derived data type? A. Floating point. B. Interface. C. Character. D. Boolean. The correct answer is interface. Assigning a value of one type to a variable of another type is known as A. Type compression. B. Type casting. C. Type correction. D. Type inheritance. The correct answer is type casting. The syntax type variable is equal to type variable 2 is used for A. Type casting. B. Type compression. C. Type inheritance. D. Type correction. The correct answer is type casting. Which type of conversions do not lose information about the magnitude of a value? A. String. B. Capture. C. Narrowing. D. Widening. The correct answer is widening. Assigning a larger type to a smaller one is known as dash conversion in Java. A. Identity. B. Narrowing. C. Boxing. D. Capture. The correct answer is narrowing. What is the default value of int? A. 0.0f. B. 0l. C. 0. D. 1. The correct answer is 0. What is the default value of Boolean in Java? A. True. B. False. C. Null. D. 0.0d. The correct answer is false. What are typically used to store information in Java? A. Variables. B. Constant. C. Conversion. D. None of the above. The correct answer is variables. Which of the variables serve as symbolic constants? A. Boolean. B. Char. C. Float. D. Final. The correct answer is final. Arithmetic operators in Java cannot be applied to A. Long. B. Char. C. Float. D. Boolean. The correct answer is Boolean. Java has a distinction of supporting special operators known as A. Bitwise operators. B. Unary operators. C. Conditional operators. D. Type comparison operator. The correct answer is bitwise operators. The operator sign, vertical bar, is used for bitwise dash A and B or C XOR D complement. The correct answer is O. Which of the following operator has higher precedence? A plus, B, C star, D vertical bar vertical bar. The correct answer is asterisk. When A is equal to 9, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 3, then output of following statement is X is equal to AB 3 plus C asterisk 2 dash 1. A 8, B 10, C 12, D 15. The correct answer is 10. Unary minus dash has associativity from A right to left, B left to right, C not associative, D none of the above. The correct answer is right to left. Which one returns the smallest whole number greater than or equal to x is A rintx, B sqrtx, C logx, D clux. The correct answer is clux. In Java, is null an object? A yes, B no, C sometimes yes, D none of the above. The correct answer is no. Which of the following component is not used to act as an input-output stream in Java? A file, B class, C a pipe, D array of bytes. The correct answer is class. What is the immediate superclass of applet class? A. Object. B. Window. C. Panel. D. Component. The correct answer is panel. In JavaScript, each window object has subobject, which called A. Features. B. Properties. C. Characteristics. D. Qualifiers. The correct answer is properties.